you're thinking about moving to San Antonio, Texas, well, maybe more specifically to Boerne, Texas, and you're looking for a new construction home, well, today we're gonna be checking out this brand new home by Highland's Home in the Esperanza Community right here in Boerne, Texas, and we're gonna get after it right now. Hey y'all, if you're brand new to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in San Antonio, Texas, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market here in San Antonio, Texas. My name is Brock.Bremmer and I'm getting phone calls, texts, and emails all of the time for folks just like you who are looking to make their move to San Antonio, Texas, and I just love when that happens. So if you're looking to move in the next 7 days or maybe even in the next 70 days, do not hesitate to give me a phone call, send me over a text message, or shoot me an email, or if you'd really like to get on a face-to-face Zoom call with me, you could do that as well. All of my contact information is down below in the description for you, and I can't wait to help you make a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas. Now today, again, we are in the hill country town of Boerne, Texas on the northwest side of San Antonio, and we're in the master plan community of Esperanza on the west side of Boerne here. And this is a beautiful home by Highland's Home. It is magnificent. I'm gonna let it speak for itself here in just a minute, but this community here has over 20 miles of hiking and biking trails. It's got a pool, a splash pad, as well as a lazy river. The community center hosts events all of the time for the neighbors out here to go and enjoy, such as food trucks and all sorts of amazing things. Here in Boerne, it's got a small hill country town feel to it. It's a very desired area because of the location, just a little bit away from San Antonio, so you don't have the craziness of, San Antonio being the 7th largest city in America. But it's close enough that you can get to San Antonio, enjoy everything that San Antonio has to offer. I mean, La Cantera Shopping Mall is probably the closest major shopping area with a ton of shopping for everybody to enjoy, and there's just a ton of restaurants there as well. So there's gonna be no shortage of fun nearby. But here in Boerne, there's all kinds of community events. A lot of folks love the school districts out here. There's gonna be a link in the description below so you can do some research on the schools if that is something that's important to you and your family. But I'm gonna stop talking for now because this home is just too incredible to not let it speak for itself. I mean, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and I'm gonna say a video is worth even more, especially for this one here. So let's go check it out right now. thank you so much for going on this home tour with me. I hope you enjoyed this house as much as I did. I thought it was an incredible home and probably my favorite to date that we've ever filmed. So if this is something that you see yourself buying for yourself and your family, do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is down in the description below, but I've got an amazing working relationship with a number of the builders around San Antonio, to include Highland Homes. So use that to your advantage and put me to work. Let me go find the most up-to-date information on pricing, availability, and the incentives that are being offered by these builders on these homes, because right now there's some amazing deals both on price and incentives in the current market that we have, but those can change at any moment. So I would love to get the latest and greatest information to you. So again, do not hesitate to reach out to me. But with that, that's all I have for you today. If you haven't already, go ahead and like the video and smash that subscribe button so that you'll be the first to learn about the current market here in San Antonio, Texas. I hope you have an incredible day, and I can't wait to help you make a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas.